Okay, this little microwave came in for repairs. The client says that when they cook there's lightning and flashes going on the inside. So if you have a look inside there where the waveguard sits and we remove the waveguard, you can see it's burnt there and it's burnt away a bit on the chamber there. And we open the microwave and remove the magnetron, and you can see that the head of the magnetron or the antenna is a bit burnt as well. And inside this chamber you can see a lot of burning happening there. Now that normally happens if there's carbon or dirt inside this chamber. The radiation will burn it like this. Now the way we fix this is we have to clean this chamber completely inside, remove all the burn and repaint it with a special microwave paint. And on the magnetron, as long as the magnetron is still okay, we remove the antenna, which is the front bit, and I've got new ones that we put on. Okay, I've taken some sandpaper and I sandpapered inside that little chamber there. I took all the burnt bits off that I could reach, and then through this hole where the magnetron fits in, I cleaned it out and made sure there's no carbon there. So we can go ahead and repaint that bit there. And then on the magnetron, this is the bit where the antenna on the top of it was burnt. So what I do is I remove the old one, it just pulls off, and we're going to clean this with a pot scourer and put a new one on. Okay, this is the magnetron without the antenna, so we just take a little pot scourer and just remove the little bits of dirt that's visible there. Doesn't have to be spotless, but we clean it. And then I've got all these antennas. Now you can't buy them new. Whenever I change the magnetron and the antenna is still good, I keep them. So we just go through until we find one. You know, this is too loose. That one seems alright, but it's a bit loose. So we just go through until we find one that fits nicely on here. And it's got to be a tight fit, but not too tight. And then if we find one, then it's a bonus. I found the antenna that fits nicely on here. It's on there, doesn't fall off, but I need a little bit of pressure to push it on, tap it on. So that's, the magnetron should be good again. I'll keep all my other antennas. One day we do another one. And then this is the touch-up paint I use. It's a special microwave paint. What makes it special, it's lead-free. That's the only thing special about it. Okay. This is the old waveguard with the burn marks on it. And what we do is we buy these sheets, big sheets, and then we just cut out what we need. So we just put it somewhere, not to waste too much of it. And a little blade like this, you just follow the edges, cut it out, and once you've cut it out, we just take some sandpaper and clean the edges. This is the waveguard after we've cut it out with a blade. And we take a little bit of sandpaper and make the edges a bit smoother. This is the little microwave after I've painted it. If you have a look inside this chamber here, it's all new paint there. And from this side, inside this chamber, there's no metal exposed, it's all painted. And then we can go ahead and just assemble it. Now this is the magnetron that we put a new antenna on. That just fits in here and it attaches with little screws. So we just, once the magnetron is in place, we just put all the screws in, the screws on both sides. This little thermostat screws onto it to pick up the temperature, and we got the two wires that plug back. And then on the inside, this is the waveguard that I've made, and this just clips in. If you push it in there, and then it's got two little forks on the opposite side, and we just bend it, give it a curve, and slide the other two in. And then we can just assemble the microwave and test it. And then as long as they don't switch it on while it's empty or no dirt is behind the waveguard, it should work fine.